Hey everyone, welcome back to TriTech AB. Big news from OnePlus. They've officially confirmed the launch date for the much anticipated OnePlus Ace 5 series. Not only are we getting two powerful smartphones, but OnePlus is also launching a new tablet and TWS earphones at the same event. Stick around, because in this video, we're going to break down everything we know so far about the Ace 5 series, including the specs, configurations, color options, and what makes these devices special. So, let's dive in. The lineup will include two models, the OnePlus Ace 5 and the Ace 5 Pro. While the Ace 5 is expected to launch globally later as the OnePlus 13R, the Ace 5 Pro will remain exclusive to China, similar to its predecessor, the Ace 3 Pro. Let's talk about configurations. OnePlus has confirmed that both the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro will come with 5 RAM and storage variants, 12 GB plus 256 GB, and the top-tier 24 GB plus 1 TB. No matter which one you choose, you're getting plenty of power and storage for your apps, games, and files. Now, let's talk about those color options. The OnePlus Ace 5 will be available in 3 shades: full speed, black gravitational titanium, and a stunning celestial porcelain, which features a ceramic finish for a premium look. Meanwhile, the Ace 5 Pro comes in submarine black-white moon porcelain, which also has that ceramic finish, and starry purple, a color that really stands out. Both models feature a similar design, with a circular camera island on the back and a flat frame. You'll also find OnePlus's signature alert slider on the left side, which is a nice touch. Under the hood, OnePlus is bringing serious power to these phones. The OnePlus Ace 5 will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Qualcomm's latest and greatest processor, designed for lightning-fast performance and incredible efficiency. Meanwhile, the Ace 5 Pro takes it a step further with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, delivering top-tier performance for demanding tasks like gaming and multitasking. Whether you're gaming at 120 FPS, streaming, or multitasking, these processors are built to handle it all. Here's an interesting detail. The OnePlus Ace 5 will likely launch globally as the OnePlus 13R. Its predecessor, the OnePlus 12R, launched at a starting price of $39,999 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So, we're expecting the 13R to launch in a similar price range. As for the Ace 5 Pro, this model will remain exclusive to China, just like the Ace 3 Pro. If you're outside China and hoping to get your hands on it, you might need to import it. It's not just about the Ace 5 series. OnePlus is also set to unveil a new tablet and TWS earphones at the same event. While details are still under wraps, we're expecting some exciting announcements, so stay tuned for more updates. Both models bring top-of-the-line specs, including Snapdragon's latest processors, up to 24 GB RAM, and 1 TB of storage. With stunning color options and premium designs, these phones are definitely worth watching out for. And don't forget, we're also getting a new tablet and TWS earphones from OnePlus at the same event. What are your thoughts on the OnePlus Ace 5 series? Are you excited for the global launch of the OnePlus 13R, or are you hoping to get your hands on the Ace 5 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TriTech AB for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.